Okay, I've just set this job up. As you can see, I've got the board on the screen. It's just showing a few different joints. We've got domino, 5mm dominoes, 8mm dominoes, which I'm going to do later. I've got cabaneo, which is lamello fitting, and Divario, and some dowel holes. I've already done the small V-carve, so we can reset that preview, and we can preview all the visible toolpaths. You'll see what it's going to do. I'll put the speed turn right down. So basically this is what the machine should do. As you can see, we've got a tool change in there. And I've done it in this order just so it shows the tool changes. Okay. So I've already saved the files. These are my files. And we just load that into the program. This is how simple it is to load it in. Alright, so we've got load file, and we're going to use this one, which is the show file, and let's set it to show you what we've got first. We've got the tools in the rack, they're already in, and I've already probed the 2 tools I'm using, well 3 tools. I've done the V-carve, right, so I've just done that with the V tool, and that's what I set my bit up with. So I'm going to press the start button. In fact, let's do it on the remote. This is how I set the everything up on it. So double this, so you can actually, if you see the head moving, I can set that with the dial. It tells me on screen exactly where the position is. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is press the start button. And first thing it's got to do is change the tool to the one I want. Okay. And we'll just back on to 2 noises. And just so that you can see it cut. Wait for the spindle to stop. Change tool. And this is a specialist cutter. Just going to change the tool again. I'm going to go back to a 5mm cutter for this one. Now it's going to do some 8mm dominoes, which are bigger than the cutter. These drill holes. We've got shelf pins. What are those? So I did a V-carve, which is Duzzit CNC. I came in and did the 5mm domino holes. Obviously they're still dirty at the moment because I haven't got the dust extraction on. Then we did the special P fittings, which are these, and some shelf pin holes, 5mm shelf pin holes. And then the special fitting for the cabinet. You can see in the cabinet, it just pops into that hole, into that cutout. And then the 8mm dominoes, 8mm, 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 8mm. And they were all done with a 5mm cutter. Yeah, so you can see how quick it is. There's way more fittings in that board, but you can see all the jobs done in one go with 2 different cutters and the tool changer.